Right guys, we're here today to a old tunnel, old railway tunnel. I'm here today with military explorers. That's them guys. And the joggers just randomly jogging past. Fitter than me. Yeah, so this is the tunnel we're going to be going in today. It's, I'll tell you where it is at the end. It's like someone. So it's like they're like drag marks, isn't they, coming through? Oh yeah, look at the stalactites there, guys, starting away, and this on the wall here. Yeah, look at it all up there. Cool is that? That is cool as that. Yeah, guys. So this is why yesterday I went out. I got in touch with military explorers and they told me where to actually go and buy some waders for, so that we can do what we've been told is the mine in this place, the smugglers mine. Shout out to John Urbex there. You can see how dark it is, guys. You can see the ruts on the floors here, guys, where the well, you can see it, but well, you can't really see on the camera. That one there, oh yeah, there. That's where the sleepers have been to hold the train, and the train track was going. Another recess. Yeah, that's how far so far. You can see the water coming down there, flowing down the middle. I think that's the old tunnel, isn't it, that? Where you know the breathe air holes. Yeah, smoke, yeah. What? Track? Oh yeah. Someone's wetsuit here. Someone's wetsuit. Yeah, I know. Yeah, guys, look at this here. This is the one of the what would have been to let the smoke out when it was steam trains. Found this bit of railway track here as well, guys. Yeah, guys, if you look at that rock, it's got stripes on it where the lime is coming from the ceiling, and then if you look up, you can see where it's dripping down them lines. So the lines it's dripping is actually dripping onto the rock and making lines. Look at the mud here, guys. Walking down the side of it, by the looks of it. Look here guys, where the bricks have fallen. It's collapsed. I believe the last time this tunnel was serviced was in, I can see there where the walls are like bulging. See there where the wall's bulging, guys. Like loads of different layers of bricks and that, but look, it's just it's all bulged out. The weight that's on top of it. So as you can see, it's quite dangerous. It's quite dangerous as being in here. That's the end, guys. And this is the forward bit. You just see military explorers down there in the distance. Look at this here where the walls bowed out here. Look at that. Look at it, look how it's you can't really judge it on the camera. That's a fresh crack, is that? If you go from this angle, that's the wall, and then look at it bulging out there. That's cool. You see now, guys, where the actual Monsieur Artois. That can's done well. Yeah, guys, so this is another one of the soot. Oh wow, that's cool.
Everybody for a shower.
Nice cool is that, isn't it? Is this the one of them, yeah? Oh yeah, this is the one that we're going to be doing. Yeah, no. No, that goes up onto the floor, but you don't go up that. Jesus Christ. Where we're going to leave the stuff. Need, oh look at saw there, old saw. What our light?
No, I mean that's the light, not the actual.
Oh, and it's yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see it there, can't you?
Yeah, so guys, this is what we believe to be what they used as a smuggler's mine. I don't know if it was used before to build the tunnel, and then they've I just don't know. But people have other opinions that are in the group. We will have to find out more about it, I think. But it's old, is that, isn't it? That's older than tunnel because it's made out of wood. They wouldn't do that, would they?
I'll tell you what, I saw that before you.
What? I saw that, yeah.
That's quite deep, that.
Yeah, no, it's well. There's boards like this all the way down the middle of it, but you what they call it. You're up to your ankles, and then at the end part that goes out to the thing is up to like your knees.
That's really key. So yeah, it's definitely going to be where
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, guys. So this is the other end of the tunnel when it's fenced off, gated off. This is the uphill end of it, so we will be going this way now, back down that way, which is the downhill end of it, which is the way we came in. So, yeah, it's nice and cool in here anyway. It's a lovely day outside, but it's nice and cool. We're going to go now and put us waders on and get them mucky by walking down the mine section. Yeah, well, we're leaving him up here so that he can look after his stuff because he's not scared at all.
Yeah, up there, stay there, we've got
To the old saw there, guys. Yeah. Oh wow, that wood is spongy though. As you can see, guys, the mud down here in this mine. I mean, look at all the wood up there and that. It's all literally wood is this, guys. It's just holding this up in here. See up there, guys. How big this place was. Apparently, what we think is that smugglers used to use these for smuggling. Look here, you see where all the way above here is where all the these joists, they've got these old railway sleepers here, are here to open, to keep the sides open. Look here where it's all. This mud is quite deep as well, isn't it? Oh, okay. How does it? Wow. Yeah, if you walk in the middle, there's like a plank in the middle apparently. I'm glad I've got some more pants to put on. Yeah, you have to just try and stay right in the middle, mate. Yeah, look at the old ladder here, guys. I don't think I'll be wanting to walk up that. Someone has, don't they? I'm glad I perched. Oh shit! Yeah, it is proper deep in if you don't stand on that board. Oh my god, that is deep, is that? It does proper down, yeah. I think it's straight in the middle, isn't it? Oh no, I think you went round sides a bit. I mean, look at that. Have you seen this, look? That's wood. Oh my god. Yeah, so we're doing this so you guys can experience this from the comforts of your big 62-inch TVs and all that. That's where we just come from.
If anybody knows this place, we do not recommend coming to it.
Yeah, no, we don't.
I'll come the board here.
Yeah.
In the centre. Oh, but then it drops down again.
Yeah. Sorry about the camera footage, guys. It's where we're trying as best to keep it.
It's actually dropping down now.
Yeah.
It's a bit more.
Bearable.
Oh, saying that. It's yes, originally we used as a smugglers cave. We used to bring stuff up.
Yeah, from down on the coastline.
So that's what we've done. Tried enter here.
When I told them at the fishing shop yesterday when I was buying these from, they were laughing.
Said, oh, I'm getting them to go down the mine.
Yeah, what's it called, that fishing shop?
Tackle.
Yeah, if anybody wants to buy a pair of waders and they live in Leeds area, there's a place called Bobco Tackle in Leeds. Go and check them guys out because they've got an awesome shop. If you want any fishing stuff, go and check them guys out.
Oh, it's dry.
Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you look guys where they've all split. Don't know why they haven't blocked it off, to be honest.
You alright up there, Lou? Louise!
You alright up there?
Louise!
He's flashing his torch.
Looks a bit.
Yeah, that's where it goes up to well, just below your knees apparently. Yeah guys, so this is an actual what we're classing as a smuggler's mine. Well, that's what people have said, it's a smuggler's mine. So yeah, just don't come here guys, it's really unsafe. we're doing it so you don't have to. So keep enjoying. Watch for military explorers to fall over. Hold your camera up in the air if you do.
Keep it centre.
Yeah.
So.
Always be careful, there's stuff laid all over the floor, isn't there?
We're coming to the end here. They're a bit cold.
Is it? Oh, my feet are alright. I've got shorts on. Is it cold water then?
Yeah. You've got that thingy stuff, haven't you? What do you call it? Well,
Neoprene.
neoprene.
Neoprene waders from Bobco Tackle, Lanos.
You know something? Whoever come down here, they must have had bleeding long legs.
Why?
Now going up to my goat.
Yeah, well, it came. Oh, shit! I nearly fell over, there was someone underwater. Oh, my balls are wet. Holy shit, isn't it? Yeah, there was something under the middle, like a piece of wood or something. Jesus Christ, it is deep, isn't it? Oh, this is the end bit, guys. Yeah, so they must have come down there. I'm not going any further, guys. My balls are wet. Where I splashed it all up. Yeah, so this is the end of it. This is the mine part that we've just walked through.
Shit, we need to go back down there.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, guys, if you look how deep the water is. It's up to his waists.
Do you know you can actually see where it does go up? Look,
Oh yeah.
on sides.
Oh yeah, where water goes up on sides, yeah. Right guys, so we have to try and get through this now without getting us nuts any wetter than what they are. Just stay right behind me, mate, and just feel before you walk. Yeah, if you look there, military is nearly balls deep. But he has got shorter legs than me, I think.
I don't know, I think back it was a bit wet.
Is it? Oh, I'm wet here. I fell over, didn't it? Oh, it's here. This is there. Right here. There's a thing right under where I'm stood. It's a plank going across. That's what I fell over on the way over. And because it was deepest part, me,
Oh, yeah, found it.
so just nice and steady in it, nice and steady. I'm glad I got these buoys anyway. Maybe if you look on the wall here, guys, you can see how deep the water does actually get. And we would have to go back to Bobco Tackle. Like these are the old railway sleepers they've used here, where the tracks used to fasten on.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it is a mine, a smuggler's tunnel or what, but it's summer and it's old because of the wood that they've used.
Look, they actually do some tracks to shore it up.
Yeah.
They've got another farm.
Yeah. Right, we're getting shallower now. Just keep staying in middle, pal. Oh, another thing here. Just there, mate. Oh, another one here. Or something else even.
Stood on the board, what's moving?
Yeah, that's what it is, I think, yeah. Oh, there's definitely one there. I'm going to take a picture. So it's like right at the top of the cliff with that, wasn't it, when we came out?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the... as you can see, it is quite tall, so... Whether or not they used it, they could have used this when they were building the tunnel to get the stuff out, couldn't they, to see? You know, to tip the stuff out down the cliff face.
No, I think that's what it might have been. Like,
You know?
when they bought shells, just dumped it all out.
Yeah.
So I reckon there would have been trucks just going down here, old barrels pushing
Yeah.
it all down.
Yeah, and then tipping it off at the side. I don't know if that's a good thing for them to tip it out at sea, but... I know, it does, yeah, yeah, if you look here, there's a... That's a railway track, is that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it could have been, because they usually use the thingy ones, don't they, the ones above? Ducky head. Yeah, pull them up through them. It's like that there. Looks like a...
That's
like
the
a...
old, what do you call it?
Like a step. You think it is a step or something? Well, look at... Oh! That is well gone, is that, innit? Yeah. Jesus. Just rotting away. Yeah, but I know that there were smugglers around here.
Oh yeah.
Definitely were smugglers and stuff. But so whether or not it was a smuggler's thing, if anybody knows anything about it, please leave it in the comments below. So all our wonderful followers can get a bit more information, and plus we know then as well. Oh, that was far down with that. Have you got it? I don't think my foot. I don't think I actually went. I don't think I actually touched the bottom then.
There's actually been wall that's coming down through that vent shaft.
Oh yeah.
Under there, hanging off a bit.
Yeah, we're good. So we do another. Mate. Oh. Couldn't you hear us shouting you?
Oh no. They were shouting you now.
We shouting, you alright? And you weren't answering?
I couldn't see you, like literally, I couldn't see that light, but I didn't know whether it was a light or the light outside.
Oh, okay.
I flashed the light to see if it was okay, and after it was flashing like that.
Oh, no, but we were shouting you, and you didn't say out back, so we just saw light flashing, so we thought you'd heard us.
So I couldn't hear you, but I couldn't see you either.
Yeah.
So that's why I was trying to flash the light, just to see if it was okay.
Yeah.
So I can't actually see down there. Look, put my light down there.
Yeah, yeah.
When
once found in abandoned tunnel. Oh God.
How far into the end?
Yeah, about it's about a mile, just over a mile.
But you can't get out and...
It's about a mile. Yeah, guys, so what many explores can you go on and see what we've seen in that dark and actually see all this, see the sea and the guys on the boats, and the smell's just amazing. Fresh air. Yeah, just fresh air. But we're all exhausted now. We're going to find a bench, sit down and just have a sandwich and take his waders off. Yeah, I just need to pack everything away, guys, but yeah, it's appreciated that you spent time to watch it all the way to end and that. So we do these things for you guys so that you guys don't have to. If you want to come to it, you know what I mean, but you come at your own risk. Everything that we do at our own risk, and you know what I mean, some of the stuff you might think silly, but we do it basically because we enjoy this sort of thing. So yeah, if you've got any locations that you want us to go to, just let us know, just put it in the comments below, or put it in Military Explorers comments. I'm sure I'll get it off him as well. So yeah, keep watching, guys. Right, guys, that's it for this explore, this awesome railway tunnel and mine shaft. We don't know if it is, but that's what we've been told. Yeah, so this is Military Explorers. Go and check them guys out. They've got some awesome content on there. Don't forget to click their bell and subscribe to them and all that business. Don't forget to subscribe to me, check out my stuff, and I'll see you next week.